Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Top acts failed to hit the stage at Sting. The show, dubbed the greatest one-night reggae and dancehall show on earth, had fans disappointed as top acts like Skeng, Joshi, Chanel Muir and Jamila did not perform, while Valiant did a very short set. Now, Valiant wowed his fans live on stage for less than 5 minutes as multiple artists flocked the stage to get in during the last minutes of Sting. Dovey Magnum had the last touch of the mic going a cappella as the band dismantled during her stint. A disappointed Valiant took to the parking lot for an impromptu performance which he coined "My Experience for Sting 2022. Shake my head." Throughout the night, Sting featured a host of upcoming acts and had a good run with the top-notch performances from Christopher Martin, Etana, Pampote, Jada Kingdom and Kip Rich, a fiery clash between Millie Don and Pablo YG, and the much controversial plugged clash between internet sensations Queenie and Mona Lisa.
One at a time! When you need another battle in town, a real battle in town, where wits are thrown off, send for Amari and Queen Lady Gangster.
I am amazed and I'm honored because work hard and hard work pays in the history.
However, at the end of the night, fans who spoke to E Prime were extremely disgruntled with the abrupt end and the no-shows.
Come see Skeng and Joshi and none of the two of them. I want them locked up sure.
It was okay, but I miss Chanel more, you know.
But you want
Top
the
girls
Valiant.
can perform, and Valiant can get the extra time to perform.
It was okay, but listen, we don't enjoy ourselves.
Sting came to a premature end after police officials discontinued the show almost 7 in the morning. Now, the entertainment industry is in mourning as news broke on Tuesday of the passing of Joe Mercer Marley. Condolences for the singer have been pouring in online from Prime Minister Andrew Holness, the opposition leader Mark Golding, Shaggy, Bone to Kill and other entertainers, and carried on news feeds around the world. The 31-year-old, who is the son of Stephen Marley, was found dead on Tuesday in his vehicle. The cause of death has not yet been revealed. In 2014, Joe Mercer dropped his first EP titled Comfortable and last year released the second EP, Eternal. E Prime sends condolences to the Marley family. I'm Daedran reporting. Thank you for watching.
E Prime brought to you